Hi there, welcome to nostalground. When I saw Commodore for the first time, I was only 5 years old. As a result of joy, I shouted, "Computer, computer!" And my father laughed and said, "No, son, it's not a computer, it's a Commodore." And then I looked at my father with a surprised face, and my father said, "Come here, it has many games." And when I heard the word games, I became happy. I remember that the first game which I had chosen was called Henry's House. In this video, I'm going to introduce you 10 games which I wanted to play when I was 5 years old. Henry's House, my favorite game. Okay, Henry, we have to clean the room to go to the next room. Be careful. Nice jump. Okay. Okay. Keep calm, Henry. Keep calm. And one hat. Oh, big boots. It's so dangerous. Be careful, Henry. Okay, okay. I trust you, boy. And nice jump again. Okay. Oh, one key. Oh! No problem. Be careful, boy. I'm sure you can. Go, boy. No problem. One more time. Yes, yes, yes. And we go to room number 2. Bathroom. Oh. The world underwater. I like this sound. What is this? With two big eyes. Everything is okay, boy. Thank you, Henry. And we now can go to room number 2. Oh, Henry. Yes. And no way. No way. Silly Henry. Game number 2. It's a difficult game. I never could finish this game. What is this? A reptile? He kills me! Help! Okay. Nice jump, man. Oh. Oh. It's very big. Oh, and reptile. Is this reptile? I can't jump cause the reptile, it's here, and don't let me fight. Another chance. Oh, nice jump again, and I have no chance. Okay, okay. I wanted to fight with you. Don't hit me. It's very strong. Oh! He eats me alive! Okay, okay. I can play another game. I like this song. It's very nice. This game is a very nice game, but it's boring if you just see, cause it's based on high score and how has no mission. Then I just show you game environment and go to next games. Okay, it's time to go to next game. Oh, Fist Plus! Everyone beats each other. Red beats white, white beats green, and I'm in white. I'm in white and very strong. Yes! The red beats me and beats green. Wow! And I beat red. I'm so strong. I don't think so. Okay, in this mission, I have to shot the ninjas. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can't. Okay, it's time to go to the next game. Motorcycling is always the thrill of motivation both in the game and in reality. Go, hero. Perfect, man. I'm a good driver. Yes! Next mission. Green Bret. It's one of my favorite game with nice song, but it was so difficult cause you died with one touch. See? With one touch you died. Go on, Commando. Oh! What's happening? Go, man, go! Kill them! Oh! Let me try another chance. Lovely song, lovely song. Childhood memories. Okay, go, man. Kill all of them. Korosh, if you hear me, don't laugh at me. Go, man, go. Oh, oh, new background. You can, Commando, go, go. Oh. I have one chance. Oh, they killed me. Operation Wolf. A good sniper, but many soldiers, many tanks, many helicopters, and just 9 bandolier. I play with keyboard and have no good control. When I played this game in 1991, I played with joystick and had a good control, but with joystick, but with keyboard, I can't play very well. And now, go to hell. I'm not bad in this game with keyboard. Korosh, I tell you again, don't laugh at me. Just 13 soldiers. 20, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last soldier. And we can go to next mission. Next mission in jungle. Soldiers everywhere. And I lose. Next game. The rally with the family should be one of the strangest races, but it should also be interesting. Go, man, go. $294 in. Ow! Ow! Don't fight me! Don't fight me, baby! And last game. I just want to say these are our generation video games with simple controller, up, down, left, right, and fire button. No more option, no special effects, 10 or 20 colors and simple lines, and very nice. I can't use PS4 joystick. It's so crabby. 8 button, two shocks, and the arrow keys. Maybe you say it's funny that you can't use PS4 joystick. No, it's not funny. Our childhood was simple and very nice with these simple video games. In this video, I introduce you 10 Commodore 64 games that I like them. If you like this video, show me in comments. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Have a good time. Goodbye.